Hello and welcome to a new video. It's been quite a while. Big apologies for that. I've been busy at work. I've not been so much here in the garage as I can't do too much at the moment. The state is still the same on the repo, so the cab is still chilling in the back. You can kind of see it over there. So no update there, unfortunately. So I couldn't make it before Eastern on bringing it to sandblasting. That will happen in the coming weeks. I do know that I have I think it's like a bit more than 2 weeks, on a Monday, I will have a day off. So there should be a chance to drive it over, or basically come here, pick it up, drive it over to the place that is likely going to sandblast it. I still need to discuss what they should do with it. And yeah, that is the repo at the moment. On the Evo, there's a little of an update at least. As you can see just in front of me, my friends primed the doors. So they have like the primer, or the filler rather, on it. It's been sanded a bit already. So I guess those are pretty much ready to be painted rather soon. But yeah, my friend has a bit of a I wouldn't call it a sickness, he's just tired out, slightly burned out. That's why he's not here either. So he decided to just take a bit of time off, go away, enjoy, relax, like just calm down a little bit, and it seemed to help him a bit. So he will not be here a lot. Looking at the frame of the Evo, I know that they put in the left frame part, basically the one here. You can see it, it's going all the way to the back. Here they put on already the sill, welded that back on. I think no, it's not welded yet, sorry, it's just clamped right now. But yeah, so the left side is getting back together. You can see all these parts that have been put out before are brand new. I put in, and these are already tacked. So basically just the sill part is still ongoing. And I know since this week he received the other one that came from Japan, that took a while to arrive. So they are now working on removing everything here. You can see that most of the spots have already been drilled out. Man, they really drilled it out this time. Before they were just like drilling it in the middle so it gets loose, but now they really drilled it with holes. Yeah, so they need to remove the sill next, get everything out, put it back in. So there's progress. It's definitely slower than he wanted to, but at least there's progress. And I think he should have all the parts now. Well, at least on the left side. I don't know about the right side. I don't see any other parts lying around. So yeah, that it basically is the update of the Evo. And on my side, I have not been working, obviously. I've mostly been working on the battery tray. So that's going to be a video that is hopefully coming out soon. The idea was originally, I recreated, not one-to-one, but almost one-to-one, the battery tray that is original on the repo, and wanted originally to get it laser cut from 2mm steel. But yeah, I was playing around a little bit. I felt that it's quite expensive at the moment, so I'm trying to do it the cheaper way. I will create it alone from scratch by just welding parts together, because I think that has two benefits. That I have on one side, I can improve my skill set. So I have barely ever done any metal parts, yeah, working with it at least, like preparing it. I mean, it's straightforward. It's basically just straight pieces, some of them with a bit of a different form, but it's mostly straight. You weld them together and you will basically have, more or less at least, the battery tray. So I designed it entirely on my PC. I'll show that to you in a separate video. And then basically we have the original one down here. So if you look at it, you can see like it's a straight piece, straight piece, straight piece, straight piece. Here in the front you have a flap. And on here, I don't know why it's curved, but it's basically just the top part that here you have the clamp. So you basically just clamp it on and put it down. Yeah, so it's relatively simple. But as you can see, like I forgot the name. The hinge is that one is already loose. It is quite rusty and porous, so it's, yeah, I just decided that if I can, I will not reuse it. I'll just create my own. It has the same dimensions, and it will obviously not be as nice. Again, my plan is to basically just have 5 flat pieces, some of them with a bit of a curvature, like here, and here in the back also a window, and basically just, yeah, create it from scratch, prime it, and then render it black as well. Now obviously these hinges, they will also be made separately. And again, my plan is I need to see how I can bend them, because I don't have any machine to bend those parts, but that should be somehow be doable. Just don't know yet how. And again, that's what I'm currently working on. Unfortunately, since it's a public holiday today with Good Friday, I can't work at home. I'm doing that in my basement, so you'll see that in the video. I can't create any major noise. It's a Sunday, so I have to respect that. But my plan is that tomorrow I get all the pieces cut. So also here, I'm just using this, what is it called? Like an electric saw with the metal thingy in front. So the one which you normally cut wood with, I'm just cutting the metal with it. It works quite well, but obviously it's rather slow because of the heat. I can barely, I need 3 hands. I need 1 hand to guide the machine, 1 to stabilize the metal, and the 3rd one to cool, like using oil to cool the saw blade. I don't have 3 hands, I only have 2, so it's a bit slower. Nevertheless, I think it's good progress, at least for myself, who has never done anything like that. There will be quite some challenge on the welding part as well, and yeah, so lots of stuff to be done. So, as I said, I know my friends that have been working on the Evo during this week with the new parts that arrived. They did use the GoPro, that's why I couldn't film anything at home. But yeah, so they filmed. I haven't checked it yet. You will just see that now, obviously, after I edited the video. But yeah, so for now, that's basically just a short update. I wish you all a happy Easter. Enjoy the video, the footage that my friends captured. And I hope I can show you a video on the repo again rather soon, most likely in form of the battery tray. And then the next thing will be getting this cab over there sandblasted. And I'm not going to film the sandblasting process this time. It'll basically be the same company that did the frame. So I'm linking the thingy up the top left corner, just so you can click on it and see what that company offers. It's in German only, unfortunately, but still might be interesting. And I guess I'm going to see you soon again. So enjoy the video, take care everyone, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Thank you.